Experience the charm of Rome. Experience unique style. European style. Quartz movement. Enjoying a peaceful and quiet style. Easy to install. Why choose US? Diamond making process. The perfect combination of glass and broken diamonds. Diamonds shine brightly. Broken drill the pursuit of a better quality of life. Glass production process. We have a rich product line and use advanced technology and equipment to produce high-quality glass to meet your various needs. The perfect fusion of color and home decor, precise timekeeping and unique presentation of time art. Roman numeral dial design adding classical beauty and a sense of ceremony. 2 styles to choose from. Different usage scenarios. Wisfor. The best aesthetic consultant for your home.